Lesson: Iterative Testing and Refinement of Prompt Effectiveness. Iterative testing and refinement of prompt effectiveness is a crucial aspect of prompt engineering, particularly as artificial intelligence and machine learning models become more integrated into various sectors. This lesson focuses on the methodologies and best practices for evaluating and enhancing the effectiveness of prompts in AI systems. The aim is to equip professionals with actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks to optimize AI interactions, thereby improving the overall quality and reliability of AI outputs. The iterative process begins with establishing a baseline for prompt performance. This involves defining clear objectives for what a successful prompt should achieve, considering factors such as accuracy, relevance, and user satisfaction. Quantitative metrics, such as precision, recall, and F1 score, can be employed to measure the effectiveness of prompts in generating desired outcomes. For instance, in a natural language processing context, these metrics help evaluate how well the AI understands and responds to user inputs. A practical framework for iterative testing is the A/B testing model, which involves comparing two versions of a prompt to determine which performs better. By systematically varying elements of the prompt, such as wording, structure, or context, professionals can gather data on which configurations yield the most effective results. For example, a case study conducted by OpenAI demonstrated how subtle changes in prompt phrasing could significantly impact the specificity and accuracy of AI-generated responses. Another useful tool is the use of feedback loops, which incorporate user responses and interactions to refine prompts continuously. This approach is particularly effective in environments where user needs or contextual factors may shift over time. By analyzing user feedback, professionals can identify patterns or common issues that suggest areas for prompt improvement. For instance, if users frequently request clarifications on AI responses, this may indicate a need to refine prompts for greater clarity or specificity. In addition to quantitative methods, qualitative assessments play a critical role in prompt refinement. Engaging with end users through surveys, interviews, or focus groups can provide valuable insights into their experiences and expectations. These insights can guide the development of prompts that are more aligned with user needs and preferences, ultimately enhancing user satisfaction and engagement. A study by Nielsen Norman Group highlighted the importance of user-centered design in improving AI interactions, emphasizing that understanding user context is key to crafting effective prompts. To systematically approach prompt refinement, professionals can adopt the CRISP-DM framework. This structured approach involves 6 phases: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. In the context of prompt engineering, this framework can guide the iterative refinement of prompts by ensuring that each phase is informed by data-driven insights and aligns with business objectives. For example, in the business understanding phase, professionals define the goals of the prompt, such as improving customer service interactions or enhancing information retrieval. During data understanding, they gather and analyze data related to current prompt performance, identifying patterns and areas for improvement. Data preparation involves refining and organizing this data to support model training and testing. In the modeling phase, variations of prompts are tested to identify those that maximize effectiveness. The evaluation phase involves assessing these models against defined metrics, while the deployment phase focuses on integrating successful prompts into the operational environment. A case study from Amazon illustrates the application of CRISP-DM in refining the effectiveness of Alexa's voice-activated prompts. By systematically analyzing user interactions and feedback, Amazon was able to enhance Alexa's ability to understand and respond to diverse user requests, leading to improved user satisfaction and engagement. Another critical aspect of iterative testing and refinement is the consideration of ethical implications. As AI systems become more autonomous, it is essential to ensure that prompts do not inadvertently propagate biases or lead to unintended consequences. This requires ongoing monitoring and evaluation to identify and mitigate potential ethical issues. For instance, a study by Buolamwini and Gebru highlighted the importance of addressing bias in AI systems, emphasizing that prompt design must consider diverse user perspectives to avoid reinforcing stereotypes or discrimination. Incorporating ethical considerations into prompt refinement involves establishing guidelines and best practices for ethical AI interactions. This may include conducting regular audits to assess prompt performance across different demographic groups, ensuring that prompts are inclusive and equitable. Additionally, transparency and explainability should be prioritized, enabling users to understand how AI systems generate responses and make decisions. In conclusion, the iterative testing and refinement of prompt effectiveness is a dynamic and multifaceted process that demands a combination of quantitative and qualitative methods, as well as ethical considerations. By leveraging tools and frameworks such as A/B testing, feedback loops, the CRISP-DM model, and ethical guidelines, professionals can enhance the quality and reliability of AI interactions. These strategies not only improve the performance of AI systems, but also contribute to more satisfying and meaningful user experiences. As AI continues to evolve, the ability to effectively test and refine prompts will remain a critical skill for prompt engineering professionals.